How to reset Snapchat's My Eye Only password without losing everything. What's up everyone? Welcome to another tutorial. In today's video, we're going to look at how you can reset your Snapchat's My Eyes Only password without losing any of your data. But before getting started, make sure to head down below to like the video and subscribe to the channel. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Snapchat. Once your application is open, you need to access your memories by swiping up on the screen. Now you will see the My Eyes Only password right here. And on the bottom right, you will see the options. Tap on it. So if you want to tap on this forgot passcode, it will most probably reset all of your data and everything will be deleted on My Eyes. Now, if you don't want that, what you need to do is go ahead and tap on your profile. Now tap on the gear icon on the top right corner. Scroll all the way to the bottom until you see this help center. Go ahead and tap on it. Now if you scroll down, you'll see this button, Contact Us. Tap on it and you'll have to submit a request. So first you'll have to select a category. First of all, select this one, I need help with Snapchat feature. And here you will get all of these options. Tap on I forgot my eyes only passcode. Scroll down here, you will have to tap on memories. And from here, on the still need help, tap yes. And here tap on using my eyes only. So tap on it. Now you're just going to enter all of your details. Now just enter your username, your email address, and write a short description saying that you want to recover your My Eyes Only passcode without deleting everything. And Snapchat help and support team will contact you within a few days and your problem should be fixed. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you on the next one.